one of the most exciting topics in the world of personal finance investing. And guess what? You don't need to have thousands of dollars sitting in the bank to get started. No, today, I'm going to show you exactly how to start investing with just $100. Yep, that's it. Just $100. Whether you're completely new to investing or you've been on the fence because you thought you needed more money, this video is for you. We're going to cover a few different options you can dive into today. Why start with $100? Now I know what some of you might be thinking. Can $100 really make a difference? Yes. And here's why. The key to growing wealth isn't just about having huge sums of money up front. It's about getting started. The earlier you start investing, the longer your money has to grow. And trust me, even small amounts can add up over time thanks to something called compound interest. See, with compound interest, you're not just earning returns on your initial investment, but also on the returns you've already made. So the earlier you start, the better. Let's look at some practical ways you can invest that first $100. Option 1, ETFs, Exchange Traded Funds. Okay, so the first way to invest your $100 is through something called ETFs, or Exchange Traded Funds. ETFs are like a basket of different stocks or bonds, meaning you're spreading your money across a range of investments rather than putting it all in one place. The great thing about ETFs is that they give you instant diversification, which helps reduce risk. Plus, many ETFs are really affordable. You can invest in them with as little as $50 or $100 through platforms like Vanguard, Fidelity, or even apps like Robinhood and M1 Finance. Look, here's an example. You could buy a popular ETF like the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF, symbol VOO, which tracks the top 500 companies in the US. By investing in this ETF, you're basically betting on the entire US stock market to grow over time. Option 2, fractional shares. Next up, fractional shares. This is one of the coolest innovations in investing right now. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a stock instead of the whole thing. For example, a single share of Amazon could cost over $3,000, but with just $100, you can buy a fraction of a share. You'll own a small piece of Amazon, which means your $100 still gets to work for you, even if the full share price is out of reach. Many platforms now offer this, and it's a fantastic way to start building a portfolio with just a small amount of cash. Option 3, Robo-advisors. Now, if you're someone who doesn't want to pick and choose individual investments yourself, Robo-advisors could be the perfect option. A Robo-advisor is like an automated financial planner. You just tell it your goals, risk tolerance, and timeline, and it'll create a personalized investment portfolio for you. With as little as $100, you can set up an account on platforms like Betterment or Wealthfront. They'll take care of the hard work choosing investments, rebalancing your portfolio, and even managing tax efficiency, all for a low fee. The power of consistency. So, now that we've covered some awesome ways to invest your first $100, let's talk about something really important: consistency. Starting with $100 is great, but to see real growth, you'll want to make a habit of investing regularly, even if it's just $20 or $50 a month. Consistent investing combined with compound interest will make a huge difference over time. It's not about timing the market, but time in the market. Trust me, even small contributions add up. It's like planting a tree. The sooner you plant it, the sooner it'll grow. Getting started today. Alright, so we've covered ETFs, fractional shares, and robo-advisors. Now it's up to you, whether you decide to go with one of these or a combination of all three. The most important step is to get started today. Don't wait for the perfect time or the perfect amount of money. Open up a brokerage account, deposit that $100, and make your first investment. You've got this. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more personal finance tips. Let me know in the comments how you're planning to invest your first $100. And remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Never forget to subscribe our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.